I wore the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s for a week. This is what happened. You guys still have a chance to get yourself the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do to get a pair is like this video, hit that subscribe button down below, join the Moore family, leave a comment, let me know your size, then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. Next week, I'll be announcing the giveaway winner in a YouTube video, so make sure you guys come back to the channel. Good luck on a free pair of UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. Outright Brand's new collection for the UNC toes is live. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description, go check it out, and use my promo code DannyMoore at checkout for 10% off your entire order. You better hurry up. These shirts sell out fast. They're only up for a few days, and they have a bunch of other clothing. Every sneaker release, there's a new set of clothing to go with it. Make sure you guys check out Outright Brand. The link is down below in the description. Thank you, Outright Brand, for sponsoring today's video. It's been a week of me wearing the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I love these. These are quickly becoming one of my favorite UNC Air Jordan 1s. As far as creasing goes, these will crease, but I don't think it's a bad crease. When it comes to this colorway of the Air Jordan 1, I think these are gonna look better, beat up. The more you wear them, the better they're gonna look. That's not always the case in my opinion, but when it comes to this specific sneaker, I absolutely think the more you wear them, the more you break them in, the more comfortable they're gonna get, and the better they're actually gonna look. These are gonna break in very nicely the more you wear them. And throughout the past week, they've broken in nicely. The leather is creasing a little bit, but it's not too bad, and it's just a very comfortable sneaker the more I continue to wear them. And the leather is a huge bonus on this sneaker. They're very easy to clean. I did clean the bottoms just once throughout the past week. They're very easy to clean. I prefer the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s over the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. I know a lot of people love these. This sneaker's going for like $350, $400 on the market. These right here are not, and if you ask me, this is the better shoe. As I was wearing them throughout the whole week, I just fell in love with them on feet more and more and more. I cannot stop wearing them. This sneaker is gonna be a problem for me because I don't know when I'm gonna stop wearing them. Over time, these are gonna get really beat up because it's an all leather sneaker, and if you're wearing them, that's what happens, right? Well, so is the University Blue Jordan 1s, but the problem with this sneaker is that it's suede, and this material is not made to last a long time. It's not made to really get dirty, and once it does, it's a pain to clean. When you have leather, an all leather upper, it's so much easier to manage, take care of, clean, and do what you gotta do. Do your quick wipe downs, and it's not gonna scuff as easy either. As far as sizing goes with the UNC toes, they do fit true to size. I have been fine with my normal size 11. These fit great. They have gotten more comfortable the more I wear them. Comfort on Jordans is not through the roof to begin with, but as you continue to wear them, these will break in very nicely because of this soft, very soft leather. They did a really nice job with the tumbled leather on this shoe. It's very soft and it feels really nice on your feet. When I first put them on, the very first day, I was having a little bit of pinching going on around my toe, but that went away quickly because I wore them for about 5 or 6 hours on the first day, and it quickly went away after that. I don't have that problem anymore. It could be due to maybe lacing. Maybe they were just laced a little bit too tight, or I'm not sure, but it's no longer a problem. It was only there for maybe a few hours when I first put them on. and that's it. No more pinching around my toe. Good to go. Midsole is getting dirty, of course. It's a white midsole. The outsole, of course, getting dirty as well. I did clean it once already. They do look pretty clean right now. I did clean them, but there is some dirt on these. That's not gonna really get off. It is what it is. But it's a very good sneaker. I highly recommend the UNC toes. Resale is not high at all. You can get them for a little bit over retail, and I think you'll get a lot of wears out of them. The one thing that does suck is having to match these. It's very, very tough to match them sometimes. If you don't have a lot of clothing with this UNC blue in your wardrobe, it might be tough to match. In that case, I would just go either black, white, mix it up. You really can't go wrong, and let the UNC really do the talking with your outfit. And don't forget to check out Outrank brand. You guys can cop tees to match your UNC toes. Check this out. The new Outrank brand collection is live. Go check it out right now, and make sure you guys check out Outrank brand each and every week. For every sneaker, they're dropping a new clothing collection. Go check out Outrank brand. Link down below. I want to rank the UNC Air Jordan 1 colorways because, to be honest, these have quickly became one of my favorites. They're up there for me big time. So, in my opinion, I'm going to go with, of course, the OG, then probably the Off-White. That's number 2. Then probably right here, number 3. And then I would put these probably last, in my opinion. Those are the ones I can think off the top of my head right now. If I'm forgetting any, please leave a comment down below. And rank your UNC Air Jordan 1 colorways. Which one do you think is the best? Which one is your least favorite? Since I love the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1 so much now, I absolutely love these. Should I sell these? Should I get rid of them? They are brand new, and I'm not sure if I see myself really wearing the University Blue Jordan 1s when I have the UNC Toe, which is an all leather and that real natural UNC colorway, more so than the suede version because of the material. You guys can see the color difference. Yes, it's the same, but it's really because of the materials that they're made out of. So I definitely recommend the UNC Toe. It's a great leather pair of Air Jordan 1s. These are fire, straight fire. If you guys own a pair, please comment down below a bunch of fire emojis. If you do not own a pair, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s and who does not. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of UNC Toes. All you guys got to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button right now, join the Moore family, comment down below your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends in about a week's time, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. These are fire, straight fire. It's been a whole week, and I love these. Easily top 3 UNC Air Jordan 1s of all time, if you ask me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.